So we are going to start with the main and basic features of the first planet. As you have seen in the solar system that the planet which is closest to the sun is the Mercury. So here is the Mercury. Mercury looks like this, as you can see in this image. So what are the basic features of the Mercury? Mercury is nearest to sun. As you have already seen in the solar system that around the sun the first planet was the Mercury. So it is nearest to the sun. So as it is nearest to the sun, we can say that it is smallest and it is hottest because it is the one who is receiving the direct sunlight. So it is the hottest planet as well as the smallest planet out of all. And you know that it is also called as a morning star. It is also called as morning star because it is visible in east before sunrise. So means before the sunrise, this planet is actually visible in the east direction. So therefore it is called as morning star. And moreover, it has no atmosphere. So obviously if atmosphere is not there, so obviously it cannot support life also. And moreover, it has no special body which revolves around it. That means no satellite is there. Like you know that Earth has a satellite, Moon is a satellite of Earth, or you can say like, so likewise it has no satellite around it. Means no heavenly body which is revolving around this planet. So these are the basic features of the Mercury. So you know that what kind of question you can get. You can get a question of 1 mark, name which planet is called as morning star. So you should know that it is Mercury. And you can also be you can also be asked about the reason also. So you should know because it rises in the east before, it is visible in the east before the sunrise. Moreover, you should know that it cannot support life because to support life the atmosphere should be there. So it has no atmosphere. And moreover, the planet which is the hottest of all or the smallest of all or nearest to the sun, that is the Mercury. So this is how the Mercury looks like. So moving ahead, after Mercury we have Venus. So Venus looks like this. As you can see, it appears to be very bright. So we can say that Venus is the second planet in order, and moreover it is brightest of all. It is hottest and smallest, Mercury. It is brightest of all, and moreover it has an atmosphere, but the atmosphere present here is a cloudy one. So it has a cloudy atmosphere. And if we talk about the mass of Venus is actually 4/5 times of the Earth. It is 4/5 times of the Earth, and again the life is not possible because the conditions which are prevailing in the Venus is not fit for the survival of the life. And moreover again, it has no satellite. It has not got any other heavenly body which revolves around it. So you can get a question like this on the basis of Venus that name the planet which is brightest of all. So you should know that it is Venus. And or you can get a question like this, name a planet whose mass is 4/5 times that of Earth. So again the answer is Venus. And moreover you should know that it has a cloudy atmosphere. So this is Mercury and Venus. Now we'll move further. So as we'll move further, what I'll do for you, or what I suggest to you, is that try to learn the basic features of 2 planets. Then like first learn about Mercury and Venus and then move on to the other. So in the meanwhile I start with the another planet in order. So you should know about these 2 first. So try to learn it, then look for the other planets.